Today, we take it to the next level. We're going to build an intelligent system by classifying email subjects and assigning ticket to the next level. And the ticket can be assigning to the different group like helpdesk group, support group, and infrastructure group. By the end of the tutorial, you will have fully ticket automatic system and it's running to the right support group. So let's dive in. Okay guys, so welcome back to our channel. So in our previous tutorial, we already showed you how to automatically create ticket from incoming email. So before we start the automation, here's the full prerequisite for today's tutorial. So the first thing is we need to create a dedicated group for a ticket assignment. And the second is we need to customize the keyword for assigning ticket to the support group. And the third one is the automate notification system. So in each of the trigger, we need to alert to each support group and the requester as well. Okay, we click on new distribution list. We can tap helpdesk team and we add a owner. So you can select any user and click on add. And next one is to add a member. So I decided to select our helpdesk support once and I click edit and click next. So this is the group name. So I put helpdesk team and then I allow 3 people to send from outside and I click create it. And first group is created. So now this is the second group. And we input the support team for the second group and then we click next and we adding the owner. We search for the admin for us owner and we click next and then we add a member. So the member we created already. So this is the support operation once and then we click next and then we input the group email address. So we use a support team for the group support operation and then we click create group. Alright, this is the last group. We're going to create the network infra and we click next and we add the owner. We select admin as owner as well and then we click add and then we click next for add the member. So for the member we already created also. So we select the net infra user once and then we click adding. Click next and then we input the group email alias and then we click create a group. So now we are completed for a group creation. So the next step is about the power automation condition. So we select on plus sign and click on the condition. So in the condition, find the email and then select subjects. In the subject, we choose the content and then we input any keyword. Let's say we input the emails and I also rename my conditional name to the general issue. And for the easy to remember what are the conditional using for. So I change to the conditional to the or option and I select subjects again and then I set to containing and then I put another keyword. So this is, let's say I use a user. So whenever email requested subjects containing email and user, so it will be update and the routing to the support group. So this is I adding to the second conditional for the support group. So you change to or and then we do the same practice. We select the subjects and then we change to the contents. So inside the content we specify some keyword like we want to use like printer. This is where we're going to routing the printer to the support group. And then we select another one subject as well. So before we doing that, we can rename our conditional name to the hardware issue. Let's say we use that name and then we select subjects and then we change to the content and we specify another keyword like PC issue. Yeah. So this is our sample practice for the support group and we can click save first. And then we also copy and paste into the true option. our condition is when this option is true, so it will be automatically updated. On the category value, we need to change to the hardwares. So this is based on the hardware support team. So we can specify value for that support team as well. So if we have another column from the SharePoint team, let's say if we have a support group, we can specify based on that as well. So this is the another condition for the network infra team. So this is we do the same practice, the network infra team, and in the support team we can rename to another like the hardware and software support. Yep, for easy to understand it as well. So we can add the note. As you can see, we can add the note for easy understanding. What are the so whenever the another guy who coming to improvement on this, so we can the understand what are the conditional using for. So let's back into the network infra. So on the subjects, we select subjects and then we click on content and then specific the keyword. And another one we select on the the internet network issue, or we can rename to the internet issue for the network infra. So we copy the SharePoint content and then we paste into the true option on the network infra as well. And after that we updated the name of the condition or the name of the SharePoint, and we change the category based on the the support group. Right, so now we already been done create 3 condition keyword subjects for support group specification. So now it's time for us to create the notification in 8 condition. And this is a new notification for the helpDesk team. So we can find the helpDesk team for the new notification. This is the group where we created before, and then we just mention the subticket, the email subjects, and the email's body as well. And the name we also rename to the send email to the helpDesk. And after done, for that we can copy and then we can paste into the another condition. This is we no need to no need to recreate the condition. So we just copy and paste, and then we can rename to the support team, and then we also change the subject that sent to the support group. So we can do that for another the network infra as well. So after completed the support team, so we can copy and paste into the network infra. And in the sending tool, we need to remove. In the subject's name, we need to update to send to the network infra team. Alright, so now we have been completed, so then we can save our flow. And after that we can test to sending email and specify the subject's keyword and ensure that it can be running and update the notification and the ticket automatically create and assign it into the support group based on what we have been done so far. So we log it into the Outlooks and then we do a testing and sending email to the helpdesk. And let's say we specific to the helpdesk team, we specific the user log. Okay, so back into the Outlook, so we specific the subjects user log, and we mention some the body's keyword. Okay, so we click on send, and after done, so we ensure that the email is sending, and we also back into the our flow, and we also can check, right? Yep. So in the flow, we to ensure that the flow is working fine, we can refresh it and to see if the flow is working or not. So it might be take some time for the first ticket creation or the flow we testing. Yeah, it might be take a few it's less than 15 minutes. Yeah. So we can refresh and see what is updated or not. Okay, so right now you can see this is the user log. It has been created, and this is the requester. Yes, and you can see the support group also has been specific. Okay, so this is working fine. So yep, this is the ticket automatically creation, and it also can be specific the subjects, and we can trigger to get the user the subject's email keyword and assigning to the support group, and define based on the email category, or define based on the whatever the keyword that have been requested from the user. So this is we are done, and yep, so it's working fine. So we hope this video is useful for you guys, and you can practice inside your organization, and we hope that this email is useful. So you can see this is the email from the requester from the flow, and it can be notification to the helpDesk, and also notification to the requester as well. So based on our configuration. Thank you for your watching. Bye.